How do I mean we finish state? I am thinking what we should start seeing more.
My Nigerians, I don't bring no bonga bishop news story. My name Nandehi. And make a sharply yarn on a son to do say it just happened. Federal government on Thursday don't come they thank Nigerians the way they take they endured because of the effect of the economic reform we don't cause hardship for inside Nigeria as the Kontoko say they don't start to get result to and are the Minister of Finance and Coordinating Minister of the Economy will be Wale Edu. Now come out to call yarn this talk about plenty Nigerians they don't come the question and they ask them say why not mention the areas where the economic reform don't they see result. The Lagos State government announced to say they go close 11 major roads for inside Lagos Island and Victoria Island for the women's run wey go happen on Saturday, November 9, 2024. And the roads them na Tafawa Balewa Square through the Waterboard, Old Night, Enter Marina, Bonny Camp Bridge, Amadu Bello Way, Akin Adeshola Street, Falomo Bridge, and Onika Roundabout. All those places them they go block 43 years old Nigerian man wey don marry don even born 2 children the wey name be Abimbola David from Norwich. A Calabar police for inside London, United Kingdom don come arrest am say because im go dey chat about knacking of quick with 14 years old girl wey be minor and na the savings of children's future na dey come out to call yarn dis talk say because Mr. Abimbola David go dey ask the girl about im virginity and also make the girl send am in naked picture.
She said in the dating app, if you are not 18, you can't open the app.
Right.
So she says she's 18. That's why I even just I just sent.
But then she told you when you started messaging, she told you how old she was, didn't she?
I don't believe.
You don't believe?
Yeah, I don't. That's why.
See, you didn't want to say in this chat that you didn't believe her.
I don't believe what she's saying. I thought it just performed, so I don't take it.
You were asking her about being a virgin as well, weren't you?
Yeah, I said you must keep your virginity. If you check the chat,
so if she was an adult, why would she need to keep her virginity?
If she's an adult, that I would just say the same thing. Was me.
United Kingdom-based Nigerian man wey name be Kenny don come by on November 4 to 2024. Come leave him wife and 2 of his children, and the small one na 3 months old baby, and the other one na 3 years old baby. As the family and friends they come dey mourn am on top social media. Federal government don come announce their plan to host the first Nigeria International Air Show for inside the first quarter will be April 2025 and the Minister of the Aviation and Aerospace Development will be Festus Keyamo. Now come at Koyan this talk. Federal High Court wey dey for inside Maiduguri don convict come sentence one Mr. Abila Ishak to 9 years imprisonment and on Tuesday, November 5th, 2024, na Maiduguri Economic and Financial Crime Commission Zonal Command don come carry am take go court on top 2 count charge say because of money laundering and also yahoo wey reach about 12 million naira. The King Solomon of our time wey name be Batada Ebonk Ekonga, they don carry am take go court to start to the judge in corruption case for inside Equatorial Guinea. CCTV camera don come capture dis slave queen wey wan try slave for dis December as she enter inside one shop wey say dem dey sell hair come go chieftalite expensive hair wey cost reach about 1,250,000 naira for inside the shop and na on November 7 to 2024 na im she go chieftalite dis thing as the shop owner come out to come promise say anybody wey go fit give dem better information about dis girl say im go give the person 250,000 naira.
Jesus. See, stupid patients away. Very most sensitive human being, see person do your back with it. No don't wonder. You are back with the customer. The customer and your blood sister and your blood brother. See, I'm put inside talking like that. Patience. Okay. And when you get find waiting, customer came in, but this is doing your good back clients. Serum.
This is that bar. This is that bar where you buy one, and that person will see.
Plenty Ghanaians don come dey provoke the verse after wey dey open the gold statues wey be say dem use take mold their president wey be Nana Akufo-Addo as dem come dey talk say no be wetin Ghanaians dem need be this say wetin dem need na to change the life of the citizen, no be presidential statue na they want. Federal government under the Ministry of Health and Social Welfare don come talk say the Nigerian woman wey need cesarean section wey be CS operation say e go dey very free for all of them o. And na the Minister of Health and Social Welfare wey be Professor Muhammad Patti na him come out go yarn this talk on Thursday, November 7, 2024. The ogbonge Nigerian actor and also politician wey be Desmond Elliot don come talk o say make people try to do wetin dey within the law, as him come dey talk say him dey very strict and him no know anybody wey dey stricter than him. Come dey yarn this talk o after wey people carry talk on top social media say him na agege wey be gay.
You feel you identify as something, as long as it's within the law, people don't have to accept it. Do you? Do you? Okay? So let me say right here, I'm straight. You can never have anybody more straighter than me.
The U.S. District Court don come throw away the U.S. President Biden administration program where they won't allow illegal immigrants them to marry American citizens so that we fit get legal status and also to get U.S. citizenship. But court no agree to approve am. Yes, na Bishop News O'Clock. My name na Nehi. Make una enjoy your day.